Hello friends, welcome back to Bhurag recipes. If you didn't subscribe yet, do subscribe and click the bell icon for more updates. In today's video, you are going to see one more snack recipe which is a very good combination of poha and potato. So let's quickly check out today's recipe, Poha Cutlet. Now let's have a look into the ingredients on screen and keep it ready. For binding poha, I have taken potato as a binding agent. As per your preference, you can add any spices. If you want, you can prefer chaat masala as well. Now in a bowl, take 2 cups of poha, and add 2 cups of water. And let it soak for 10 minutes. Here I have taken equal quantities of water and poha for perfect soaking. After 10 minutes, you can see the perfectly soaked poha. Now boil 3 large potatoes and let it cool down completely and mash it once it is cooled. Into the mashed potatoes, add 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of cumin powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, half teaspoon of garam masala. Now add half teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, which is optional. For more spiciness, I have added 2 green chillies roughly chopped. If you are serving it for your kids, you can skip it. And also add 1 onion roughly chopped. Finally add soaked poha. Now mash it with your hands and mix it. If the mixture is moist, you can add 1 or 2 spoons of rice flour. Once it is done, make it into your desired shape. You can make it as a bullet or even form it as a cutlet. Once you prepare the cutlets, heat the oil and place prepared patties and fry it on a medium flame until nice golden color. For healthier option, if you want, you can even shallow fry it or pan fry it by adding little oil. Choice is yours. Once it is done on bottom side, flip it over and fry it on other side as well. Once it is fried, drain the excess oil and transfer to your plate. If you want, you can use paper towel as well to avoid oil. Now serve this delicious crunchy outside and soft inside poha cutlet with some ketchup. And let me know how much you liked it in comment section. And also you can share your recipe pictures with me in Instagram. Thanks for watching. And also don't forget to share it with your friends and family.